Ever wrestled with the charm of a fixer-upper versus the sleek canvas of a new build? Let's dive into the world of home renovation, where potential meets elbow grease. On the flip side, new constructions offer a blank slate for your dream home. Renovating can be a treasure hunt, but are you ready for the surprises? Contrastingly, new builds mean modern features and energy efficiency from the start. Yet, the allure of transforming a fixer-upper into a bespoke space is undeniable. New homes boast perfection, but do they lack the character that only time can bestow? Renovations mean personal triumphs, but also potential budget busters. Can you handle the heat? With a new build, you're in control. No hidden costs, just the excitement of creation. The satisfaction of restoring a home's soul is a DIY enthusiast's dream, isn't it? But imagine designing a home that's tailored to every whim, modern living at its finest. The question remains, do you crave the journey of renovation or the destination of a new build? Renovate or recreate? The choice reflects your story, your legacy in the making. Whether it's the romance of revival or the thrill of the new, your home is your canvas. Join us as we explore more showdowns, helping you navigate the home of your dreams.